Good morning, class. Today we will continue our second chapter of history, and our today's topic is industrial society and social change. Okay, industrial society, it means the labor of the industries and the owner of the industries, and social changes. What is the relation of industrial society and the social changes? Okay, and this topic you will study about the relation of industrial labor and owner and social change. Okay, beta. These political trends were sign of a new time. It was a time of profound social and economic changes. It was a time when new cities came up and new industries, regions developed, railways exempted, and the industrial revolution occurred. It means at the time of the 19th 10th centuries, it was the time of the industrial revolution. At that time many industries were set up in the Russia, and you can say in France. Okay, beta. Industrialization brought men, women, and children to factories. Work hours were often long and wages were poor. It means after becoming the industrialization, the men, women, and children, all the person of the country do the work in the industry for the daily basis. Okay, but in the industry they do the work for a long period, and their businessman, their owner, give them very low wages. Okay, unemployment was common, particularly during time of low demand for industrial goods. Housing and sanitation were problems since towns were growing rapidly. As we know that the human being necessary, as you know about the human being necessary, water. Second thing is education. Third one is employment. Okay, and when the industrialization started, then the many people of the villages migrate to the towns where the industries is going to set. Okay, beta. And that's why the reason of the industry is becoming very rushful. Okay, because all the person were going at that place for the job. Got it, beta. Liberals and radicals searched for solution to these issues. Almost all industries were the property of individuals. It means individuals means a particular person, and at that time the industries were of a individual person, of a private person. You can say no government rule is there, no government control is there. You can say the capitalism system was there. At that time the capitalism system was there. Okay, beta. Liberal and radical themselves were often property owners and employers. Having made their wealth through trade or industries ventures, they felt that such efforts should be encouraged, that its benefits would be achieved if the workforce in the economy was healthy and citizens were educated. Opposed to the privileges the old aristocracy had by birth, they firmly believed in the value of individual efforts, labors, and enterprise. After the industrialization, the people were forcing for the changes. Okay, they raising their voice for the changes. Okay, what type of changes, beta? Related to the job and against of the privileges. There here privileges is a new word for you. Privileges means special rights for a person, for a community. Okay, and in Russia some person having the special rights like the king relatives, okay, aristocrats, officers. Got it beta? If freedom of individual was ensured, if the poor could labor and those with capital could operate without restraint, they believed that societies would develop. Many working men and women who wanted changes in the world rallied around liberal and radical groups and pattern in the early 19th century. Okay, beta. Some nationalist, liberal, and radical wanted revolution to put an end to the king of government established in Europe in 1815. In France, Italy, Germany, and Russia, they became a revolution arise and work to overthrow existing monarch. Now he is discussing about the 19th century. Okay, 19th century. Before the 19th century, there were the monarchy system in the whole Europe. But in 19th century, the people started to abolish their monarch and to establish republic and democratic country, a republic and democratic government in their country. Okay, beta. In France, Italy, Germany, and Russia, these countries people try to take the freedom and equality from the government. Okay. Nationalists taken off revolution that would create nations where all citizens would have equal rights. After 1815, Giuseppe Mazzini, an Italian nationalist, conspired with others to achieve this in Italy. Nationalists elsewhere, including India, read these writings. And he is saying that after the 19th century, okay, after the 19th century, in many countries like France, Russia, Germany, Italy, the people of these countries were demanding for the democracy, were demanding for the equal rights and the freedom. Okay, beta. Next one is the coming of socialism to Europe. In this paragraph, which paragraph beta? Industrialization, society and social changes. In this paragraph, we read about the industry and the social changes, that how the society change, how the people migrate from village to the town, okay, and how the people demands for the reduction of the hours, reduction of the working hours, and to improve their pay scale. Okay, beta, these were the demands of labor. Okay, and the labor migrate from village to the town, village to the cities, and second one is the villages were empty due to migration, and the labor were demanding for the reduction of the hours and demanding for the improvement, yeah, you can say upgrade the salary. Okay, in next video we will study about the coming of socialism to Europe, that how the socialism come in Europe. Got it beta?